everybody, this is Stacy in Japan, and this is going to be a short video, so don't worry about it. I got a package from home. Yes, from Yard. This package came just this morning. I know basically what's in it because I did ask for them, and but what I'm really here to share with you guys is this. No, tell me no. Greater Portmore Post Office on the need for do better. Wanna help me count, cause this is serious. Wanna help me count. Let me see. These are all $20 denomination stamps. $20? Oh gosh, mommy, poor mother. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eh? Wait there. The one you hide. I wanted to do the row by column thing, but it looked like me might have to just estimate or guesstimate this. I want to go right. Alright, let me try over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this right here alone a 25 stamp. 25 and 6 are how much? 31. Alright, 31. Over here so alone. 31. Let me see what I want so now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50 and how much be this over here so again? When the brain bad like me. 50 and 31. That's 50 and 31. 81. 81 stamps. And it's not done yet. 81 and 6, 87 stamps. 87 stamps become a Japan. Oh boy. It seems she went at an unfortunate time when they only had $20 stamps, because this is too much. I shall certainly be keeping these stamps as a part of my yard collection. So let us open the package, right? Wanna go and stare at me to open the package? Fast, you know what? Fast. I'm not getting none away in there anyway. Anyway, so let's open the package. Christmas done, but it is always Christmas in my heart. Yes, this package has been traveling for some time, you know. Let me see. November. 26th of November 2016. Almost 1 month. Dwight Kelly, leave me alone. Let me take time. Let me take me time. Because this package was put together with such love and care. But see, it tear up there. See that? It started tear up already. Alright. So, let's fly the package. Oh Lord. See a package here. But hold on there. You're not supposed to sleep. People like Dwight Kelly, you're not supposed to be sleeping. Let's see how I got this. Alright. Alright. Woo, me get fun. Fun. Made in China. Made in China. Oh, man, that's no, sir. No, sir. So, going to see me up. No, sir. It's a package and nothing open. Alright, let's try again. Alright. Yes. I told me I want the video long enough. I try to hurry up, you know. I don't want to see how. Alright. Yay. It's a fan. No, I don't know, fan here. No, make you trick you. See there are the box there, the box cut up. Woo, thank God for my mother and my brother. Yes, my brother helped. Yes, thank God for them. Alright. So, coming in from the cold. My sweat bottom. Yes. Listen, I only asked for it because she did put something in there to help buffer the box. So me say, me no need that. Better you put this in there. So that's why the sweat bottom come. Alright? If you know me. Oh my. Being alone in Japan, you know, you have lots of time on your hands. And sometimes you want to do something different, you know. Different than watch TV and, you know, read and everything there. Jigsaw puzzles, baby. Yeah. Almost in time for Christmas. Little sorrel ginger tea. Time call bad. Yes. Ooh, season it up. Hello, if you don't know anything about Japan, you know, them not really cook with no seasoning, you know, so you have to add a little flavor to the pot, add a little flavor for yourself, man. Alright, this is just a picture for the puzzle. I don't know why them send the box. More season up things, man. Oh, same way all them get it at the supermarket, you know. You can't see I see black bag. Only see black bag at Japan. Only tell me, only see black bag at Japan? No. So you know, say I same way all she get it out at the supermarket. I same so large chibi can't get it up. I don't know, not get none. Of a truth though, if you link me somewhere, like today I'm going to Kanayama. If you don't link me there, me will walk with few fit on, but otherwise. Now the real reason this package came was so that I could get my sketchbook. Can you imagine all of that for one little sketchbook? Because, and Dwight, you would be familiar with this sketchbook. This is where I did your that portrait thing, remember? Yes. When I researched the cost for sketchbooks anywhere at all, Amazon, wherever, it was so expensive. I said, no, so better them send me sketchbook from yard and me pay for the shipping. You know, so, and then we get extra things on top of it, so not in there. I'm going to draw something for you, but not today. Alright, I'm gonna chat me for one next time, for our next video. When I will draw some things for you and show you how it go. Alright, thanks for watching. This is Stacy in Japan. Bye.